Okay, we shall pass on to the problem number 5 now. In this problem 5 also, capital as on 1st April 2018. 1st April 2018, 40,000. So it is opening capital 80,000. Capital as on 1st April 2018, as it is given in it is 40,000, only 40,000, not 80. 40,000. Capital as on 31st March 2019, that is, if the accounting year begins with April and ends with March, then March, next year March is the closing date. Therefore, 31st March 2019 closing capital, it is 50,000. 50,000. So, opening capital 40,000, capital at the end of the year 50,000. Since the capital at the end of the year is 31st March 2019, it is the date on which the statement is prepared. Then, additional capital introduced during the year 7,000. Additional capital 7,000. Additional capital 7,000. Then profit for the year. Profit for the year, it is 8,000. Profit for the year, it is 8,000. So what item is missing in it? End of the year closing capital is given, additional capital is given, opening capital is given, and the profit is also given. What is missing? The drawings is missing. What we will have to find it? What to do here? Since the item to be found out is at the top, so what we should do? We should go from the bottom. What we should write here? What should be the adjusted capital? Since it is a profit, we should minus this from this. From the top number, bottom number minus must be minused. So, what number must be there? If there is 48, from 48,000, if you minus 40,000, you will get 8,000. Because it is a profit. If it is loss, from this number, you should minus this. Since this is a profit, you should minus the opening capital from the adjusted capital. That is, adjusted capital minus opening capital will give profit. Adjusted capital must be 48,000. Then alone you will get the profit 8,000. 48 minus 48,000. So to find this, I told you in the last problem also, again, what number must be there if you minus 5 to get 3? That what example I have given in the previous problem. What number must be there to get 3? From 8 only, if you minus 5, you will get 3. But what is our intention? We should find what number must be there. That is 8 is there. To get 8, what we must do? We must add these two. Likewise, we must add these two. 40 plus 8, 48,000 we should write. This is the idea we can use. Okay, now adjusted capital is found out. There should be some number here. From that number, you should less this additional capital 7,000 to get additional capital 48,000. What number must be there? If you minus 7, you will get 48. 55,000 must be there. 55,000 minus 7,000, you will get the adjusted capital 48. Once again, I go to the illustration examples. What it must be to get 8, what should be minus from one number, that is, say for example 3. Suppose from what number, if you minus 3, you will get 8. If it is 11, 11 minus 3 will be 8. To get this 11, what we must do? 8 plus 3, 11. ஏதோ ஒரு நம்பர்ல இருந்து 3 மைனஸ் பண்ணா 8 கிடைக்கும். அங்க என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா சின்ன நம்பரா இருக்கிறதுனால we can write it 11 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடலாம். 11 minus 3, 8 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடலாம். அப்போ அந்த 11 அந்த இடத்துல வர்றதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணணும். Likewise, இந்த இடத்துல வர்ற நம்பருக்கு what we must do? We must add these two and write. That's what I have written. 48 plus 7, 55,000. Once again, capital at the end 50,000. This is easy for you. Add drawings, you should add some number to get 55. What must be added to get 55 with 50? 50 கூட எதை ஆட் பண்ணா 55 வரும். ரொம்ப ஈஸி உங்களுக்கு. 5,000 ஆட் பண்ணா 55 வரும். So what must be the drawings? 55,000. And you can write separately here drawings. $5,000. You can write separately at the end of the problem. Okay, now I shall give you some references. This is the assignment. What I am going to write is the assignment for today's portion, what I have covered. Illustration, reference.